Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm decoupaging some beautiful Christmas napkins onto a cardboard box. I found these at the store the other day and I just knew I had to use them on something. The glue I'm using is half Elmer's glue and half water mixed together. It works really well and is way less expensive than the Mod-Podge glue. Sometimes cutting around these little characters is a really tedious process, but it's actually worth it once you see the final product. It looks really good.
Uh-oh.
At this point I realized the pearl acrylic paint I picked was not going to be see-through enough. So I decided I would have to start all over again with the cutting process. I had to do the Mod Podging over too. Sometimes you just have to redo a part. It's better than scrapping the whole thing and starting over. These cute little boxes that I Mod Podge are great for using for gifts, and since there's only 3 days till Christmas, I may just have to use one to give that special gift to a family member or a friend. And there you have it. What do you think? Well, that's it for today. Thanks for coming by.